A big shakeup for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Starting September 23rd, the Dow will drop 3 of its 30 member companies and replace them with 3 new ones. Alcoa, Bank of America, Hewlett-Packard out. Goldman Sachs, Visa, Nike in. Dominic Chi tells us why and what it might mean for the stocks involved.
The Dow determines how important a stock is to the index by looking at share price. So with Alcoa, Bank of America, and HP all trading between $8 and $23 per share, while companies like IBM and Chevron boast triple-digit price tags, Dow Jones saw an opportunity to shake things up, shedding the lower price value stocks in favor of adding some more diverse names. Case in point, Visa, adding the credit card giant, gives a little color to the index, both on the new age payment technology industry and consumer habits. Meanwhile, Nike, which does much of its business overseas, is seen as a barometer for economic growth in emerging markets. And by adding Goldman Sachs, the Dow gets some insight into traditional mergers, acquisitions, and corporate deal making. But does being added to the Dow mean the stock is a buy for investors? Let's take a look. The last time the index added a new ticker was last September when United Healthcare replaced Kraft Foods. A year later, shares of United Health were up 33%. It's a similar story for Travelers and Cisco Systems, which posted 19% and 15% gains respectively after being added to the Dow in 2009. But that kind of performance isn't always the norm. In 2008, Chevron, Bank of America, and Kraft all saw their stock plummet the first year after being included in the Dow. That move did coincide with the market lows after the U.S. entered recession, so it's tricky to make any inferences there. But back in 2004, the last time we saw the Dow pick up 3 new names in the same day, it was AIG, Pfizer, and Verizon. They all finished lower a year after index inclusion. Bottom line, today's moves in the Dow might be noteworthy, but many experts say it's not the only thing to consider when picking a stock to buy or sell. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Dominic Chi.
And here's how the stocks involved in the changes performed today. All of the ones being added to the Dow, Goldman Sachs, Nike, Visa, they were higher. For the ones being taken out, both Hewlett-Packard and Alcoa finished lower. Bank of America, meantime, moved up by 13 cents.